Boro Plus, guys, Boro Plus. When you have very sensitive lips. Hi guys, as you can see, been o'clock 4 p.m. in the afternoon. I like this weather. I like every weather. It only depends on my mood. That the one thing which I want to tell you is that whenever I feel very low or I am upset, usually for the weeks or like I don't come to my terrace and I always stay in my room at that time. But when I feel happy, refreshing, joy, I usually come to my terrace. Like when I am just recovering from anything, like from that phase, then after recovering, like it's a it's a sign that usually I have seen that whenever I am very sad and depressed, I don't feel like to come out of my comfort zone from my room. But when I feel happy, joyful, and relief from my inside, like thoughts, I just came out. I am an overthinker. I think everything, like from the ups to the downs to something. You don't know even what I think. I think everything. I'm an overthinker. But by creating this channel, by recording myself, I have just came out of that overthinking phase. Because I know, like, it's very easy to say that, oh, anyone can make videos, but no. Anyone can make videos, they can edit it, but the thing which you want to show to even to yourself, like if video is good, you also want to see it like repeatedly. But if the video is not good, the quality is not good, even you don't want to see it. Like it's not, if it's not in a good quality, you don't even want to see it. And I am feeling very happy, like very satisfied with myself. I know that I am not yet placed or I don't have any source of income or something, but I am just relaxed for now. Like I had just seen very much of, like not very much, but as a student, as a final year student, I am supposed to have a good package. Like I am failed in my, like the companies, like for non-tech I don't want to go. Okay, because I'm not interested. Like if I want to do any non-tech job, then I will just do that on YouTube also. Like it requires same amount, like more, like same, or you can say more amount of time, energy. And if I'm a technical student, first I have supposed to be try on different technical jobs and not on any IT. Like the channel which I have created, that is my interest, that I want to show you. And I want to see from like when I get old or after some times also, if I want to like see, oh, I have just progressed or not, it is a great channel for me. Yeah. And this channel, these videos give me motivation to come out of my room, to say something, to express myself. Like there are many days in which I don't even talk. i am I don't talk to many people. Like I usually have one to two friends, like they are my close friends, and I just like them, I just love them, they are so sweet. They are also watching these videos and they always motivate me. Like if they don't motivate me, they don't even like this, like what we can say, not dismotivate, yeah, they don't even demotivate me that, oh, what are you doing. They are always so supportive, even like take shots when I go outside, that, oh, you want to show this to your audience, and I say, oh, yeah, if you can, you can also. So yeah, they are very supportive. But the others, which I think that, no, I don't want to show them, like there are my friends who are close, but I have not told them that, oh, I have a YouTube channel for now, because I don't want any judgment here, that, oh, she's doing a YouTube channel, or like, I know anybody can have their own opinion, but I don't want them that the like their opinion on this channel. But because, and if I want, I can just say to it, like share it to my college group that, oh, please subscribe, then I can get 100 subscribers. But currently I am more focused on who are interested in seeing these videos. If I share it with my family groups, maybe if I force someone, they will just like it, or they subscribe it, but usually they don't see it. Like there are my friends, like who have, yeah, my relatives also, if they create anything like this or any YouTube channel or something, and if I'm not interested in their channel or their quality, I will barely see their videos, and after some times I even unsubscribe them, because I want the one who are genuinely interested in listening, or like feel motivated that, okay, it improves someone. As you can see, I am improving day by day, little bit, but yeah, improvement is improvement. You see the glow in my face. That's because I am very happy. It's not depend on any person, any situation. It depends on me. I am just feeling very happy, very satisfied with myself, and let's see if I am capable to crack any tech interview or get placed. Stay tuned for that. And what can I say now? You guys always, like, you have not told me, but I wonder. I speak in English, but I always listen and sing Hindi songs because I like them so much. The vibe is Hindi. I have always spoken Hindi the from my childhood, like my mother tongue, which was spoken in my home, and Hindi. These are the two primarily language which I have spoken till now. And now, as my parents are educated, so they always encourage me to speak in English. So yeah, I know, but I'm not confident about my English very much in the earlier phase, but now I am confident enough to speak, to express myself. Uh, the one thing is, my videos are not scripted, and the one thing is, like, the other thing is, I don't script. Like, I know that I have to, I just make pointer that, okay, I want to speak this thing, but not everything. Like, after that, it's all about it. You will think that, oh, she's only reading and it's not a feeling. And I want that when I speak in Hindi, the feeling, the expression that are come in our sentence, by the joy which I want to express in English. So just by practicing daily, I will be able to express my heart out loud by practicing daily. And I think this is the greatest decision I have ever taken. Sure. Okay. बेलिया, ये तूने क्या कहा, साथिया ये तूने क्या कहा, मैंने किया तेरा इंतजार, इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार, इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार। ला 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 ला। Tomorrow is my friend's birthday and her name is Ankita. So whoever is watching, please wish her happy birthday, Ankita. Happy birthday to you, Ankita. She's a very nice girl. Okay, thank you. That's it for today. Bye 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 bye.